Daily Kids News. Daily Kids News. Daily Kids News. Daily Kids News.
Hello, curious crew. It's Big Brain here, and this is episode 47. Today we've got a bird with a secret glow, a paper folding trick that turns weak into wow, and a fossil that finally got its true name. When we learn the news, we all win. Whoa, can you imagine finding a fossil and then waiting almost 80 years to learn what it really is? Scientists took another careful look at a fossil that was found way back in 1948 at a place called Ghost Ranch in New Mexico. For a long time, people thought it belonged to one kind of ancient animal. But in a brand new study, researchers noticed clues they didn't understand before, like the shape of its short snout and the way its jaw was built for a strong bite and for munching tough food. Here's the wild part. It wasn't a dinosaur. It was more like a land-hunting relative of crocodiles, living about 205 million years ago. That's so long ago, it's hard to even picture, like stacking calendars higher than a mountain. Fossil detectives don't just stare at bones. They measure them, compare them to other fossils, and ask, does this puzzle piece really match the picture on the box? When they realized it was different, the fossil finally got a new scientific name, like giving an unknown character in a story their real identity. And why does this matter? Because when we correctly name fossils, we learn how animal families changed over time, who was related to who, and how bodies evolved to hunt, chew, and survive.
Hey kids, it's Big Brain with your daily scoop. Today, brains can control your body. Watch this. Whoa, my arms are off. Come back here, you. I guess they have a mind of their own.
Did you know a piece of paper can go from flop to fortress just by folding it? A 14-year-old student won a national science competition by testing origami-style folding. Yep, like the art of making shapes with paper, and showing that the folded design could hold over 10,000 times its own weight. That's like a single potato chip somehow holding up a whole shopping cart. Not because it's magic, but because of smart shape design. Here's the secret. Flat paper bends easily. But when you fold paper into repeating bumps, zigzags, or layered patterns, the paper starts acting like a bunch of tiny beams. Beams are the kinds of shapes builders use in bridges and buildings to spread out weight instead of letting it squash one spot. When weight pushes down, those folds help share the push across many parts of the structure. It's teamwork for paper. And this isn't just a cool school project. Engineers love folding ideas because folded shapes can be light, strong, and easy to pack. Imagine a space robot that needs to fit inside a rocket, then unfold like a flower. Or emergency shelters that ship flat and pop into shape. So next time you fold a paper airplane, remember, you're practicing a real kind of engineering, one crease at a time.
Okay, kids, time for the next story.
Okay, get ready for a real-life secret code in nature. What if an animal could glow, but only in a kind of light your eyes can't see? Scientists used ultraviolet light, UV light, on a cassowary, a big, powerful bird that lives in rainforest areas. Cassowaries have a helmet-like bump on their head called a casque. Under UV light, that casque showed a blue-green glow. Now, humans mostly can't see UV light without special tools, but many animals can notice UV patterns, like hidden highlights on feathers or skin. So researchers think this glow might help cassowaries spot each other, kind of like wearing a "look at me" sign that only other cassowaries can read. Think of it like this. You and your friend have matching secret flashlight pens. In normal room light, nobody notices anything, but under the special light, bam! Your secret drawings appear. UV lights are tools that should be used with grown-up help, and you should never shine any light into someone's eyes. Scientists don't just guess once and call it done. They test, compare, and ask more questions. Does every cassowary glow the same? Do young birds glow differently than adults? Does the glow help with finding a mate, or recognizing family, or just saying, "Hello, I'm over here"? Nature is full of hidden signals. Sometimes the world isn't just what we see, it's also what's quietly shining in invisible colors. And one more wildlife tip. Cassowaries are wild animals. Admire them from a distance, don't approach, and always ask an adult or nature guide what's safe. Today we met a newly named ancient crocodile cousin, watched paper turn super strong with clever folds, and discovered a bird with a hidden glow. Keep those neurons firing. See you next time.
See you tomorrow. Row.
Woo!